Thank you for tuning in. I am student meteorologist Paul Taschereau. It is cold outside, temperatures in the lower 30s. We do have these clouds working on in ahead of our next storm system. That affects us tomorrow. We are tracking a very nasty winter storm. We'll talk more about this in detail in just a second. Behind this, it's going to be continued cold through the week, but by the weekend, temperatures will moderate, and we are tracking a rainstorm for the day on Sunday. But right now we do have winter storm watches in effect for Litchfield and Hartford counties, and actually just recently winter weather advisories were issued for the rest of the state outside of the immediate shoreline, and this is for accumulating snowfall and freezing rain for the day tomorrow. Current surface map here, we have this frontal system across the southeastern United States. We have a low pressure developing along this. This will track to the north and east, and this is going to be a factor in our weather for tomorrow. Let's look at that virtual satellite here. Here we are. We got the clouds streaming in from the south and west and across Texas and Louisiana. This cloud cover is associated with that developing low pressure system. Looking at that interactive radar now, we do have two areas of moisture, one across the Gulf Coast states and one across the Central Plains. These two are working our way, and again, this will influence our weather tomorrow. Let's time some of this snowfall for you out tomorrow morning. This is one of our computer forecast models at 7 a.m. Not showing snow in Connecticut. I think this is timed slow. Snow, I believe, begins to work in between 7 and 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. By 10 o'clock, this is now showing snow just working into the state, but I do think we will have light to moderate snow overspreading the state by 10 a.m. Now, warmer air works in about 2, 3, 4,000 feet above our heads. As this happens, we're going to see snow transition over to freezing rain. I think we're looking at quite a bit of freezing rain possible across inland Connecticut by about 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Continuing to see these pinks, that's indicating the freezing rain across the coast. Then by 8 p.m., the system begins to depart. Now, how much snow and ice are we talking about? What I'm thinking is according to 2 inches across the immediate shoreline, we see mainly rain here, 1 to 3 inches a little further inland with sleet and freezing rain. 3 to 5 inches across central Connecticut. Northwestern Connecticut sees 5 to 8 inches, and they stay mainly snow. Now let's talk about freezing rain impacts. I'm thinking we see a swath of ice accumulations, possibly upwards of 1/4 of an inch. This could cause some tree damage and power outages. Again, tomorrow is not looking nasty at all. Travel is not advised. Coming back to tonight here, it is going to be cold out there. Clouds continuing to increase. Lows in the mid to upper teens. Tomorrow, again, not nasty at all. If you don't have to be outside, do not go outside. We're looking at snow, sleet, freezing rain. This temperature high of 37 happens later on in the evening. Temperatures through the day will be in the upper 20s to lower 30s. And my 5-day forecast, continued cold through the end of the week, moderating by the weekend with some snow showers around Friday and Saturday. By Sunday, temperatures into the 40s, and we are tracking rain at this time. As always, you can follow us on social media, and I am student meteorologist Paul Taschereau, and thank you for watching.